G'day folks. I was just trundling along the riverbank here. I was about to take a photo of some ducks sitting on a rock and I spied this bloke. And he's sitting beautifully for me on this point of sandstone, charging his batteries up in reptile fashion, soaking up the morning sun on this beautiful spot along the Shoalhaven River here. That's a pretty much full-grown eastern water dragon. He's spreading out on the rock there to soak up the heat from the rock, as well as he's flattening out his flattening out his bodies to soak up as much sun as he can, take up as much space as he can. You can see he's got those nice greenish tan stripes on the tail, and he has a greenish hue to his body when they're adults. He's got a dorsal sort of ridge of spiny thorns up his back and around the back of his head in sort of a collar. I can't tell you an awful lot about the breeding habits or whether this is a male or a female. I'll hazard a guess and say it's a male, only because of the beautiful markings on the tail and body. They eat a large range of stuff, all sorts of insects, worms, snails. I don't know whether they're completely carnivorous, probably are, but they may be omnivorous. They might take certain vegetation. I don't know, I'll have to ask my mate Brian McLean. He's a herpetologist up in Queensland. He'll be happy to answer my question about that. I think they the peacock in the distance. I think they keep quite well in captivity, these guys. They make pretty good pets. I've seen a few herpetologists like to keep them. This one's beautifully sitting there for me. He's got an awesome little spot here on the Shoalhaven River. I'll pan back and let you see where he is. Look at that. There's quite a lot of them along this section of the river. I was traipsing along here the other day, and one of them jumped out of a tree branch that was hanging over the river. Probably about 6 foot, splash into the water, and then swam off really quickly in a kind of crocodile fashion swim, you know. Perfect little dinosaur, these guys. I don't want to get too much closer because he's warming up his cold blood, and then he's probably going to go off for a hunt. And if I get too much closer, I will spoil his beautiful morning soak, and he'll rush off into the undergrowth, and I don't want him to do that. He's beautiful. Look at that. Okay, well, I'm glad I got that. A little bit of nature interest for you. I'm not a reptile expert by any means, but I'm pretty sure that's an eastern water dragon. Anyway, Aussie reptiles rule. Have a nice day. See ya.